Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. In this video, I'm going to share with you a Qigong exercise that concentrates primarily on the neck, shoulders, arms and the chest. Your hands will be passing the chest, so this exercise is very good for balancing the heart and tonifying the lungs. So I've been getting a lot of questions and requests to make a video like this, so this is the one for you. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Stand up nice and tall, relax your whole body. So bring your attention to your feet first. Find all four corners of your feet, spread your toes nice and wide, and feel the connection with the earth. Feel the sense of grounding, sense of stability, rooting down through your feet and into the ground. Then soften your knees and tuck your tailbone in slightly to lengthen the spine and relax the lower back. Your shoulders are nice and relaxed, away from your ears, and the hands are naturally hanging by the side of the body. Your chin is tucked in, so to lengthen the back of the neck, and your head is nice and straight, kind of pointing upward towards the sky. So you can swing back and forth to find the center, to find the position that feels good, where you can relax every muscle of your body. And again, finding a sense of stability and grounding. Then now begin floating both hands up to about shoulder height, and then gently press down as you bend your knees, sink down the lower. Then float up again, raising both forward, and then sink and relax. So engage your whole body, not just the hands, but let your whole body be part of this movement. Like a big wave that picks up its pace, raises up, and then relaxes and softens and goes back. Okay, let's try one more time. Go up. And relax down. Very good. And then float both hands forward and place one hand on top of another. Your shoulders are down, away from your ears, so nice and relaxed. And then we're going to drop one hand down, passing your side and open slightly at the back. So your hips actually stationary. So a little twist in your lower back and the shoulders. To look at your hand. And then this hand will open as if you're holding a big Egyptian weight, very precious, very fragile. So open your body, open your chest, and open your heart. And then gently slide your hand next to your ear. I'm going to push forward, extend your arm forward, and at the same time the other one drops down and to the back. Again, turn both palms facing upward. Look to the other hand, open the chest. And then continue the movement. So by slowly shifting the hands and opening the chest. Okay, so we're going to pick a little pace here. So gently, nice controlled movement. And down. Extend. Turn as you open the chest and heart. And then push. Very good. So this movement may seem familiar to you. This is actually a Tai Chi movement that's called push the monkey. But it can also be used in Qigong as a standalone exercise. So gently opening and pushing. You can also add the breathing. So the breathing cycle here is we inhale as we open and look behind, and then exhale as we push forward. Let's try together. Inhale, and then exhale. Inhale, and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Very good. And to finish, open nice and wide, and then slide the hand forward, extend, and just relax both hands down. Very good. So take a moment here to notice how your body feels, especially the arms and the chest, the neck and shoulders. You should feel a pleasant warmth, kind of spreading down the arms, down the back. Very good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day and goodbye.